Rescue tape. Just stretch, wrap, and get rescued. Whether it's on the road, on the job, on the water, or in the air, Rescue Tape is the ultimate multi-purpose self-using silicone repair tape on the market today. Use it to repair leaking hoses and plumbing, hydraulic lines, fuel lines, whip the ends of lines, and insulate and waterproof electrical connections.
I'm Mike Rollins. I work for Cirque du Soleil's O at the Bellagio. Our stage is a 1.5 million gallon pool, so everything has to be waterproof, and we use rescue tape everywhere. It seals everything we can find that we need to seal. It's strong. I bought some for use at home because it's such a great product.
Rescue Tape. Just stretch, wrap, and get rescued. Use it once and it more than pays for itself. Made in the USA to military specifications, Rescue Tape has been tested at more than 900 PSI tensile strength, 8,000 volts, 500 degrees, and resists fuels, oils, acids, solvents, salt water, and more.
As far as I'm concerned, anytime I'm going racing, boating, wherever I'm going, this is going to be somewhere close where I can get to it. It's just like having a Band-Aid. You don't need it till you're cut. I pretty much think it was Rescue Tape that got me this, and the $500 and anything else that came my way.
Rescue Tape. Just stretch, wrap, and get rescued. Rescue Tape creates an airtight, watertight seal in seconds. Keep it in your glove box, toolkit, on the boat. Rescue Tape seals leaking hoses, pipes, tubing, lines, and fittings. You can even use it to make emergency O-rings and gaskets.
The thing about being a delivery skipper is that you need products you can rely on, that you can carry in a sea bag, and when you use them, you need them to count. And that's the definition of Rescue Tape. Small, simple product that has a variety of uses. Just last summer on my own boat, engine was overheating, had to deal with it, traced the problem to the thermostat. No thermostat gasket, no problem. Dug out the Rescue Tape, formed a gasket, cut it, put it in place. Still working today about a year later.
Rescue Tape. Just stretch, wrap, and get rescued. Rescue Tape is the ultimate multi-purpose self-using silicone repair tape. And you can now buy Rescue Tape in many different colors. Rescue Tape is the original, fastest fusing and strongest silicone repair tape available on the market today. Used by the U.S. military, Rescue Tape significantly exceeds military specifications. There is no compromise for quality. Get rescued or just get stuck.
Well, I have an onboard air system here, and what happened was I was airing up a tire, got it all straightened out, and we noticed a hissing sound coming from the system, and it happened to be one of the hose fittings for the entire system. And what we did was, instead of having a hose clamp on the Jeep, we used the Rescue Tape, and if you look here, we wrapped it around the hose, the fitting, and the press-on fitting, and right now there's 100 pounds of pressure on the system and it's not leaking, so it did a great job.
Rescue Tape. Just stretch, wrap, and get rescued. As seen on ShipShape TV and Latitudes and Attitudes.
This is a product that every boat should have on it.
Rescue Tape is the winner of the Hardware Retailing's Retailer's Choice Award and featured in Four Wheeler Magazine, Today's Pilot, Motorhome Magazine, Boat US Magazine, Landline Magazine, and many more. You'll also find Rescue Tape on the set of blockbuster films like Pirates of the Caribbean.
Rescue Tape. Don't leave port without it.